So today in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create that viral Marlon stay on that side edit with your own face or any of your celebrity face with very easy steps. So yeah, this would be an entirely free video. I'm not talking about any Higgsfield subscription or any paying money. This would be a complete entirely free step-by-step process. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, most of you guys were wondering in my last videos, like, how you take Marlon videos. So it's really easy. You go to the TikTok, go to the official TikTok page of Marlon right over here, which has 5.7 million followers, and you're gonna see all his viral videos that he uploads. So one of them was this, stay on that side edit, which got 124 million views and 6 million likes, which is insane. And a lot of people are just recreating this video with your own face or any celebrity face. So today in this video, I'm going to show you that. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to download this TikTok very easily. And after you're downloaded, the first thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and pause this right over here on 1 second. So this is really important. You have to make sure you pause at this frame so that you get the actual face and accurate movement in your motion control video. So I'm going to go ahead and start by taking a screenshot of this frame right over here. All right, and the next thing is you need to do is you need to go to Google Gemini and start by simply, uploading the screenshot that you just took of Marlon video right over here. And the next screenshot would be any face you want to swap with Marlon body. So it could be your own face or any celebrity face. So for this video, I'm going to go ahead and take an example of Cristiano Ronaldo. So I'm going to go to Pinterest, search for any of his photo, simply going to go ahead and copy this image, come back to Google Gemini and paste my image right over here. So now we have the Marlon face and Cristiano Ronaldo face. And then I'm going to go ahead and type in my simple prompt, which would be this: replace the first image with the person in second image, keep image 1 background lighting, everything as it is, just change the person in image 1 to image 2, keep all characteristics of image 1, just change the person with same expression and everything. So I'm going to provide you this prompt down in the description so that you can follow along very easily. And after that, I'm going to click on submit straight away. All right, and then it's going to go ahead and create me image which is going to look something like this. Really accurate. The body looks really accurate and the face looks absolutely spot on. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and simply download this image from this download button. Okay, so our first step is done. So for our next step, we're going to go to Figma Weave, which is completely free. It gives you 150 credits through which you can go ahead and create 3 videos without paying a single dollar, and you can use multiple accounts to create as many generations as you want. So you're going to come into this website, weave.figma.com. From here, you're going to click on start now. All right, so then it's going to go ahead and land you to this page. You're going to click on create new file. And then it's going to land you to this plain black canvas. So right now you guys can see I have 50 credits left. So I already created 2 videos for my reference. So first of all, you're going to start up with very easy step. You're going to click on this quick access button on your black canvas and start by importing your files right over here. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly drag and drop this import button to the black canvas right over here. And I'm going to do one more right over here. Make sure to align them with each other just like that. And after that, your 2 files have been imported. So the next thing is you need to go ahead and import your model through which you're going to do your motion control. So for that, it's really easy. You're going to go to new Google tab, search over here, Fal AI, Kling motion control. Okay. And make sure to click the first link that pops up. All right, so once you are inside of Fal AI and Kling Video version 2.6 standard motion control, the next thing is you need to go ahead and simply copy this whole link, come back to Figma Weave, and simply from here, you need to click on import model and simply paste your link right over here. And now your model is imported as well. So yeah, this is the entire step. This is what exactly you have to do, okay? All right, so next what we need to do is we need to quickly import our files that we just generated with Gemini and your Marlon video. So first of all, I'm going to start by uploading the image of Cristiano Ronaldo that I just created with Google Gemini, just like that. And then I have to basically upload the reference video of Marlon edit that we downloaded from TikTok, you guys, okay? So now you guys can see we have to basically combine the strings to create a kind of a workflow. So that is really easy. So here we have our green dot. I'm gonna quickly, just connect this to our model green one, and the red dot is gonna connect to the red one, and just like that. Next thing is you need to click on this model, and then it's gonna pop up a few options. From here you need to select character orientation from image to video, okay? And then that's it. Simply you need to go ahead and click on run model, and yeah, it's gonna start the generation. It's only gonna take around a minute or so to create your video, and once it's done, I'm gonna show you the final output. All right, so here we go, guys. Our video is generated. So now just take a look at this, you guys.
I'm just trying to be myself. I got everybody mad at me for it. I hit the beat so hard. They give me a surplus battery for it. These are expensive.
So yeah, that turned out absolutely perfect. And similarly, I went ahead and create that with ISO speed as well. Like, take a look at this as well.
I'm just trying to be myself. I got everybody mad at me for it. I hit the beat so hard. They give me a surplus battery for it. Isn't expensive.
So this was a very easy step too. I simply created the ISO speed photo with Gemini with the same exact step that I did. Marlon screenshot, then speed image, then the same exact prompt, and this is what it got me. And then with the help of that, I was able to generate this video. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method and free method, which nobody tells you how you can create these kind of motion control video for absolutely free without paying for Higgsfield subscription, without paying for those expensive AI tools. So yeah, there you have it, guys. So if you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future videos like this. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.